Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Swat Safari Kala. I hope you all are doing well. I am here with my new video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you have tuned in, so do like my content and make small effort to click the subscribe button so that you can be our subscribers and you will get notification each time a new video is been uploaded. If you are subscribed, let me know in comment box so I know that you have clicked the subscribe button and ready. So let's get started with our today's video. As the title suggests that we are going to make a tea. After seeing the title, you must have ordered one or have made one for yourself. So if not, you can wait for just 5 minutes to know how I make it so that you can make improvement or you can give me any suggestion to improve mine. This is my way to do tea and I am going to share it with you. So please share, subscribe as much as you can. Let's begin. Namaste everyone. Do like. Let's get started. So I have taken half a cup of milk, lukewarm milk or slightly warm milk. Then I have taken 3/4 cup of water. Then I have taken elaichi powder and ginger, half inch of ginger. Then I have taken tea powder or chai patti, and lastly I have taken sugar. So let's get started. I have put the pot on flame and I will add water to it, and let's add some water. Let the water get boiled for another 1 minute. After the water get boiled, we will add further ingredients. Till then, we'll wait. The water has been boiled, and after the water has been boiled, we can add. I'm going to add 1.5 spoon of tea powder because I like slightly strong tea. If you are more towards the lighter tea, you can add less powder, and if you like more stronger tea, you can add more tea powder to it. Now you can see how the color of the water has been changed to reddish brown. The color gets more intense as it gets boiled. Now we are going to add this half inch of ginger. I am going to grate it so it gives more flavor to our tea. So I will grate half ginger and the rest I will keep. The flavor of ginger is too strong, so add wisely. Now I am going to boil it for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Now we are going to add elaichi powder to it. So these two flavors are too good for the tea. You can try some other flavors also like sunda and all, but ginger is best for it. And you can make plain tea also without any flavor. Without any flavor also the tea tastes good. So you can see the reddish brown color it has came. So I will make a closer view. Now I'm going to add sugar to it. I'm going to add 1 and slightly more sugar to it. So it gives perfect sweetener for my tea. If you like more sweeter tea, you can add 2 spoons or little more sugar to it. And if you like more strong tea, you can reduce the sugar quantity as per your taste. I'm going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to it, so it gives nice sweetness. So you can see it has boiled and the reddish brown color has came. The closer view shows it. So at this point you can add milk to it. So now I have added milk to it and we keep boiling for 2 to 3 minutes. Till then, 2 lines. You can see the tea has been boiled and we'll keep boiling it for 1 minute so that perfect color of it can be achieved. So we'll have the closer look of the tea. So you can see the perfect color of the tea has been achieved and it is smelling also, aroma is also good. So we will serve the tea. Thank you. thank you once again for watching my video, and if you like the content, so please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and to share it with your friends and family. You can watch my other videos also. We will meet you in next video. Till then, take care, and if any suggestion, please comment. Thank you.